These are fresh peanuts or groundnuts ready to be microwaved. Yummy, yummy. These are fresh boiled groundnuts without the shells. Here I'm young jumbo. Many churni. Buchichimpani churnan chimakara. Hey, young jumbo. Welcome to the Meta Culture platform. Did you know that you can actually microwave your fresh peanuts really fast and quick? You don't need to use your cooker, no dishes to do after. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to microwave your fresh peanuts or groundnuts. So all you need is a microwave safe bowl like this and your peanuts. Then you're gonna put some water inside. So I'm just gonna pour the peanuts in my bowl. So I'm just gonna make it in little batches. So I think this one is enough now. So you make it in little batches. So I'm gonna put some water. The peanuts to be at the same level with the peanuts, just like that. Perfect. So the water is the same level with the fresh peanuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and microwave it now for 2 minutes. So I'm just gonna put it in the microwave. Two. Okay. 0. While the fresh peanuts are running in the microwave for cooking, so I'm gonna get my colander ready right now. So my strainer is ready, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take the fresh peanuts from the microwave and pour them in here to strain the water. So I'm gonna go get the fresh. So the peanuts are ready, so I'm gonna pour them here. Here we go. Your microwave peanuts are ready. I'm gonna let it cool down for some time. Look at this. It's ready. Let me try one. It's all ready. It's not overcooked. So we just put it for 2 minutes. And if you try it, and if some people prefer the fresh peanuts to be well cooked, you could run it for another 30 seconds. But the peanuts or fresh peanuts taste better when they are not overcooked. So they are ready to be eaten now. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and use this method to microwave your peanuts. You don't have to use your cooker, and this goes really fast. Bye for now.